Hello children, let's do something very exciting in today's video. What can that be? Well, we are going to see the young ones and homes of animals. What are young ones? Children, you are small babies, right? Or maybe you were small babies and then you grew up. So animals also have small babies, and babies like puppies and kittens are so cute. You would love to play with them, right? So we are going to see the small cute little babies of different animals and going to learn where they live or what is their home called. So let's get going.
Children, a lion. The young one of a lion is called cub, and the lion lives in a den. The young one of a tiger is also called a cub, and tigers also live in den. The young one of a cow is called calf, and the cow lives in a shed. Children, the young one of a horse is called foal or colt, and the horses, they live in a stable. The young one of a pig is called piglet, and pigs live in a sty. You can also call it pigsty. Children, mama hen is called a hen, while as papa is called a cock, and the little babies are called chick, and all of them live in a coop. Children, you can see mama duck swimming with her baby ducklings in a little pond. So tell me, what is the name of the babies? That's right, the babies are called ducklings, and their home is water, ponds or lakes. Children, the baby of a sheep is called lamb, and sheep are kept in pen. The young one of a goat is called kid, and goats are also kept in pens. The young one of a cat is a kitten. Cats sleep in baskets. And the young one of a kangaroo is called Joey. You can find kangaroos in the jungles. Children, the little bunny rabbit lives in a burrow, and the huge elephant, they are found in the jungles, and the baby elephant is also called a calf. Children, mama dog and the baby is called a puppy. And where do they live? In a kennel. So children, wasn't this a very interesting information? Well, try to remember all this. See you in the